eReferral for me is important in part because the administrative burden that we're experiencing in primary care right now continues to grow and worsen. And it's putting extra pressure not just on physicians, but also on our front desk staff as well, managing all the referrals that we're sending out, as well as tracking them, closing loops on them. It's fast. I can do it right in front of the patient. They see it being ordered. They see the tracking that's created automatically in their chart. I can take a breath of relief to know that I don't then have to send a message to my staff to track it, to close the loop. I know it's going to be electronically tracked, and so it benefits everybody.